Welcome children. Children, today I am going to explain fun with give and take number patterns, missing subtrahend, missing difference and missing minuend, and this question let's deliver letters. Okay, let's start. So our question number 1 is let's deliver letters. Postman uncle is ill today. Let's deliver the letters for him. Write the correct room numbers on the letters, then find the rooms in the above building and circle them. Make a circle on room 455. So children, what you have to do here, let's deliver letters. Postman uncle is ill today. Postman uncle आज बीमार है. Let's deliver the letters for him. चलो आज उनके लिए letters deliver करते हैं. Write the correct room numbers on the letters. Here you can see the letters. What you have to do, you have to write the correct room numbers after doing addition. आपको यहाँ पर करेक्ट रूम नंबर लिखना है एडिशन करने के बाद. ओके, यहाँ पर आपको सब्ट्रैक्शन करना है और यहाँ पे आपको करेक्ट रूम नंबर लिखना है. ओके, देन फाइंड द रूम्स इन द एबव बिल्डिंग एंड सर्कल दैम. आफ्टर राइटिंग द रूम नंबर्स you have to write the correct room number over here and then you have to circle here in this building. Make a circle on room 455. You can see here 445 plus 10 equals 455. So your room number is 455 है. आपका रूम नंबर 455 है और आपको यहाँ पर 455 को सर्कल करना है. ओके, so let's move. So here you can see you have addition and subtraction both. Mix room numbers you are having. So after doing addition and subtraction you are getting these room numbers. Okay, here you can see different type of room numbers are present. So after doing calculation, what you have to do, you have to circle the correct room number in this building. Okay, so here you can see red color circle. What you have done here, you have circled the room numbers, correct room numbers. Now moving to the next question, find the missing numbers. Look at the number patterns, write the missing numbers. So here you have to write the missing numbers, and such type of questions you have already read in first chapter, counting by 10, counting by 100, counting by 50. Okay, so let's start the first question. This is the number pattern 100, 200, 300, blank blank 600. So you can see this number pattern is in increasing order. It means you have to do addition over here. So 200 minus 100 equals 100, then 300 minus 200 equals 100. Here you have to add 100. You can check also 100 plus 100 200, 200 plus 100 equals 300. So 300 plus 100 equals 400. You can see here I have written 400. Then again add 100 to 400, you will get 500. In this way you have to continue this pattern. Moving to the B part of the same question. So here you can see this is a train and there are different numbers written on the bogie. First what you have to do, you have to check whether it is in increasing order or decreasing order. So you can see these numbers are in decreasing order. Okay, so 900 minus 800 equals 100. 800 minus 700, again we are getting 100. So what we have to do, we have to subtract 100. So 700 minus 100 equals 600. 600 minus 100 equals 500. In this way you have to continue the pattern. Okay, moving to the next question. Now here you have 50, 100, 150, 200 increasing numbers. Okay, so 100 minus 50 equals 50. 150 minus 100, again we are getting 50. It means we have to add 50. Okay, so 200 plus 50 will be 250. Again add 50 to 250, you will get 300. In the same way you have to continue the pattern. Now moving to the next question. Here you can see small huts are present. So first look at the pattern. So 300, 250, 200. Again you can see this is in decreasing order. So 300 minus 250 equals 50. 250 minus 200, again we are getting the same number 50. It means we have to subtract 50. Okay, so 200 minus 50 equals 150. 150 minus 50 equals 100. In the same way you have to continue the pattern. Moving to the next question. So this one is your E part. Here you can see first you have blank, then 25, 35, 45. It means it is in increasing order. So 35 minus 25 equals 10, 45 minus 35 equals 10. So we are getting 10 here. It means what we have to do here, we have to add 10. 45 plus 10 equals 55, 55 plus 10 equals 65. Now you have to find this number. So what you will do, you will subtract 10. So 25 minus 10 equals 15. Okay, you can see here in the answer. Now moving to the next question. In the same way you have to do these questions also. 280 minus 260 you will get 20. Again 260 minus 240 you will get 20. So subtract 20 and you will get 220. Okay, in the same way you have to do this question also. Okay, now moving to the next question. Do these questions yourself. Now here we have next question, and this is mental maths questions on page number 86. So here you can see 80 minus 35 equals 45. So it is very clear, 45 plus 35 equals how much? It will be equal to 80. Okay, 80 is your minuend, this one is subtrahend, and this one is your difference. Okay, so when you will add subtrahend and difference, means 35 and 45, you will get minuend. Okay, so here the question is very simple. So after adding 45 and 35 you will get 80. So this is your answer in a very simple way. You have to do it. Next question. 50 plus dash equals dash, then 75 minus dash equals dash. So children, look here. Here in this question you have two blanks. So first you will not do this. Here you have only one blank. So you all know minuend minus difference equals subtrahend. So and difference plus subtrahend equals minuend. So what we will do, minuend is your 75, okay, and difference is your 50. So 75 minus 50 equals 25. So you will write 25 over here. 25 is your subtrahend, and 50 plus 25 means difference plus subtrahend will be 75. So you will write 75 over here. Okay, so this is the answer. Okay, now moving to the next question. Here you have very simple 110 minus 60. You all know what you have to do here. You just have to write the answer after subtracting 60 from 110, and here you have to add 60 and 50 and you will get 110 over here. Okay, now moving to the next question. This is the answer. Okay, now question number 1D. So here what you have to do, children, here you can see 320 minus 120. After subtracting 120 from 320 you will get 200. Okay, and 200 plus 120 you will be getting 320. Okay, with this we come to an end, and I hope these topics are clear to you. Thank you. Have a nice day.